Hello, so welcome back. We were doing cells, editing, and styles. We had already completed in 3 videos. We completed complete home tab. Now, today we are going to do review tab as well as view tab. These both tabs are very short, and we are able to cover it very quickly. Let's see it. Okay, number one option we get is spelling. As the name suggests, spelling does check whether we are writing the correct spelling or not. Okay, thesaurus. This means actually the collection of words. This allows you to write antonyms and synonyms of words. For example, if I write here hurt, and I write here and I clicked on thesaurus, here I get the meaning, antonyms and synonyms. These all are synonyms, and the specific words which are antonyms. We have antonyms written there in brackets in front of it. Hurt, benefit, benefited, improve. Yes? Okay. So this is done. We can insert it from there. Okay. Workbook statistics. Before seeing that, let me enter some data here, like my name, Tanishk. Yes. Tiwari. Also some add functions. 2, 4, 6, 5, 8. Okay. Let's add these. Let to auto sum it will be quickly done. Auto sum, enter. Okay, we get 19. Now let's click on workbook statistics. Okay, so our current sheet data is our last data is entered on in G7. See, 19 is entered in G7. Cell with data. There are 7 cells with data. 5 are numericals and 2 have my name. Yes, Tanishk Tiwari. Formula, we have one sum formula. As we are unable to click on the G7 cell as our dialog box is opened, but we'll see in a minute. Workbook, sheet 1. How many sheets are there? Only one sheet is there. Cell with data, there are 7 cells with the data, and formula is there is only one formula applied. Okay, this is also done. Check accessibility, as the name suggests. It allows you to on accessibility options. Yes, won't go deep into it, as you already know the English meaning of accessibility. What does it mean? Yes, translate. Simple. It can translate your language into some another. Like if you get any data in some different language, you can translate that into yours. Okay. So now in comment group, we have new comment option. What does this mean? If I add here and I will mention a comment about it, that this is my surname. Yes, this is my surname. This is my surname, and okay, my comment is done. Yes, so here I can access it, that was what it is. If I don't know the meaning of this, after adding comment, okay, I am able to know now that this is somebody's surname. Likewise, hypothetically speaking, not hypothetically, I do have the file here which called stock data file. In this file, verbally I am saying, in this file I have imported NSE data and NSE option chain data, and if I want to calculate if I want to calculate PCR, put call ratio, so how I calculated these, what my perception is about calculating PCR, all of this I can write in the comment box, so that if anybody else or anybody new to the sheet that I have prepared, means this can be very useful in office work, right? There are many people with whom we can share our data. We can share our data. So if they use for the first time, yes, if they see your this sheet you prepared for the first time, they can very easily understand what was the perspective of writing that particular data in a cell. Okay, so this is how we can use comment. We can delete it actually. Let me select it, and here we go. The comment is gone. Yes. Okay. Previous and next. These two functions does the same as the name suggests. Yes. After that, we have protect sheet function, and here we have show all comments. So it will show all the comments you have on your sheet, and it can alternatively show and hide comments. Okay. Yes, as here you are able to see show and hide comments. Okay, now protect means protect what? Protect your sheet. You can even set an password to your sheet. Okay, and if you have protected your sheet, then you cannot delete anything. Yes. Protect workbook. You can protect complete workbook. Okay, this is interesting. Allow edit ranges. Let's say you have shared some data, means you have shared your sheet with 7 of your colleagues and in office, and you want that only your boss can edit your data, nobody else can. So you can give permission to your boss only, nobody other will able to edit it. Okay, so you can do it from here. Yes, here you can read it very clearly. Let me improve the brightness. Yes, specify who may edit range without a password. Okay, so this was also done, and here if you able to read it very clearly, unshare workbook. Okay, unshared workbook, you can unshare it very easily from here. Unhide ink. If you are using stylus, then you can unhide. Okay, unhide all the inks, unhide or hide all the inks. Okay, from this particular option. Okay, this is done. Let's come to view tab, or let's make different video about it. Okay, have a good day.